Last week, gold breached the critical levels at 1800 and closed the week just tad below 1800 levels. I told you in the last week's analysis that if it trades above 1760, you can stay long and expect it to rise 1785. That could be the first target, and then 1800 levels could be seen, and precisely it has achieved those levels. I hope you all profited and see the power of level 1740. I mentioned several times, and 1740 again has given it a very strong support. So now what to expect next week, as it is almost achieved the top out here and paired the losses since multiple weeks. Now we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you will be also missing the daily updates and targets which I share for gold. Once with the Asia session, next with the US session. So 2 videos a day, 2 analysis a day for gold specifically. Do press the bell icon, and yes, in this analysis do watch till the end. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Now let's have a look here. See, we had looked at it triple bottom here earlier in gold at around 1620 levels, and since then it is reversed strongly. Now look at this, just last few candles, a strong bullish candle here, couple of retracement candles, and this is a breakout here. Now again it is seeing a resistance there at 1800 level. So yes, once you see it trading above 1805 next week, you can stay long, and then you can expect that probably we might be seeing at this similar size of candle or a bigger size of candle, which in fact might take it above the critical resistance level at 1836 and 1850. And yes, if it trades above this, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen in gold. This is just one part of it on the weekly charts. Also, if you look at the gold's move, and if you track the movement from this top till here 1680 levels, and then a retracement till 1900, consolidation, double top, and then a lower lows till 1620. Now see, lower lows are being seen here, double bottom here, triple bottom here, and then this reversal. So how high it can go? See, it went till towards 1900, possibly 1850 levels certainly are going to be a good resistance, and beyond that we will be looking forward to, because the new monthly candle has started. This is a fresh month, and possibility exists that if it trades above 1840, we may in fact see gold hitting at 1880 or 1900 levels again this month. There is a possibility which exists. Let's see further into detail. This is just on the weekly charts, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See how it fared after this triple bottom. One bullish candle, retracement, bullish retracement, then bullish breakout and highs, consolidation, and again a breakout, and this breakout has got it to higher highs. But at the same time, look at the last candle. The last candle had a, you can say, reversal indication. So if it opens below 1795 and drops further, you can expect that 1785 certainly be going to be a good support level on the downside, and then 1780. Once you see gold trading below 1774 levels, you can expect that we might see a pullback in gold's movement. So that is the level I will be looking forward to. If it drops below 1774, certainly more bearishness can be expected. But how far the bearishness can lead it to? See, 17, 40, 50. These are my favorite numbers. Those who follow me regularly must realize that how strong are the numbers here. 1740 and 1750. This zone again is going to be an extremely good support for gold. Till the time it sustains above this zone, I will remain bullish for gold for next few weeks and months. Very strong statement, but again I am making it very clear, till the time gold trades above 1740, we can expect the bullishness to sustain. We can expect it to achieve highs. I expect 1840, 1850 at least should get achieved, and in fact beyond those levels can be seen. So first thing is, for next week you can sell gold at 1795 or 90 levels, but then expect 1785, 1780, 1774 as the maximum support level, and if it drops below 1774, then a little bearishness will kick in, and then you can expect a little more drop, which might try to bring it till towards 1760, 1750 and 1740 levels. Below that it is going to crash strongly, as how we have seen. Now let's have a further detailed look. You will find higher lows are consistently seen and higher highs are seen. This is what we can observe here. So this is a channel in which it is trying to trade. The bottom of this channel is now at 1750 levels, and hence again it is going to become a very important number. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart. See on the monthly candle, this was a strong bullish candle, single bullish candle. Look at the movement there, and you will find 16, almost 1620 to 1780, that is $160 of move here. And yes, if you count this as a complete bullish reversal or a retracement, see this candle opened flat, and since then it has traded with the bullish momentum. So I will wait for it to break past this zone at 18, and if this trades above this, certainly you can expect that we are looking forward to 1850, 1880 and 1900 levels in the month of December itself. Now why do I say so? See, $60 of move, and if you count at least one fifth, one or you can say half of the previous candle, you can say at least we are going to look at $90, which makes it to 1870, and a quarter above will make it to $1900. So yes, this zone probably can be seen if it trades above first 1805. Certainly next week you can stay bullish, and then 1818 levels I will look forward to. Beyond that, we are looking forward to 1850 and 1900 levels. So this is for the we have seen next week also. We have seen what we can expect in the month of December also. Now let's have a look at the indicators. One observation I shared yesterday in my daily analysis also, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. Probably with the move for last 2 days, certainly we may see Bollinger Bands expanding a bit with the next move next week. So yes, this expansion can continue, and which might lead to further bullishness in gold, and hence couple of bullish candles can be expected trading above 1805. Certainly you can stay long. See, for next couple of days, what it may try to do, it may try to consolidate a bit, that is in between 1780, 1775 levels to 1800. It may try to consolidate, and then a breakout can be seen. So this is one observation for the next week. Next part, it is trading, see the 20 period moving average, which is now situated at around 1760 levels. Also there is a crossover. You can see the 100 period line and the 20 period line are divergent, and this indicates extreme bullishness here in the near past. Also the 50 period line and the 100 period line are going to cross over. So this also indicates that if it crosses over, certainly more bullishness can be expected. That is my observation. See, the directional movement is also bullish here. The stochastic, that is one part, this remains overbought, but the variance is still lagging, and hence it gives you little scope for it to rise. But at the same time, we have seen in past, whenever it goes overbought, it follows with a slight retracement on the downside. So I'll wait and observe for next couple of days. Probably it may try to consolidate and then give you a breakout. So this is one probability here. Now see, the MACD has crossed over again. This is divergent. This is again indicating bullishness, and the RSI is trading near to overbought levels. Now look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly charts too, strong resistance there on the highs, and precisely 1800, 1805 has given it a very strong resistance. This is the 150 period moving average coming together here. At the same time, the highs of the Bollinger Bands at around 1818, 1824 certainly are going to be a good resistance level. Now look at the downside. The 20 period moving average now is starting to converge and look upwards, and hence this indicates that there could be little more bullishness in the coming weeks. We may see. This is my expectation. Till the time gold trades above 1740, we can stay long and we can expect higher highs. Direction movement crossing over for a bullish move. You can see this is happening after almost 5 to 6 months. This was the time in May, June when it is crossed over on a bearish move. Now it is crossing after almost 6 months for a bullish move. Let's see if it continues to diverge. But look at the stochastic. This has come back to overbought levels here, and this has been happening after 4 to 5 months when stochastic is coming to overbought levels in gold. You can find, when I say overbought levels, this was the last time when it has achieved those levels in 2021 October, and then previously these levels. So hence we need to stay cautious. Yes, it can sustain this bullishness for a little while, but then ultimately, if not this month, then next month we might see a little drop. So this is one observation here. The MACD has crossed over. We had seen this in last week's analysis. This is crossing over after a good symmetrical movement, and now it is looking upwards. It may continue to diverge. Though can the movement be stabilized? Yes, you can see that it is stabilizing a bit, but yes, it is still trying to act bullish, and the RSI is also looking upwards on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, 20 months average, that is 1800 levels. Very strong number at 1800, trading above 1805. Certainly you can expect it to stretch the bullish momentum. At the same time, on the downside, you will find the 50 period and 100 period are far away on the downside. Let's have a further detailed look here. See, the directional movement is taking a bullish cross again after sustaining the bearishness for a little while. See, gold traded bullish for all these years. Then for last couple of months, it turned out bearish for the first time. So after 3-4 years, good 3-4 years, and now again it has crossed over for a bullish move. The divergence is little. Possibly this monthly candle will decide the future course of action for gold here. Stochastic was oversold, and that is why we can see a little pullback. But see, this was the previous high. It is still some room for it to rise there. The MACD is trying to converge. It was the overbought move. Then suddenly it has dropped and it has taken a support, and it is still trading above the sub-zero levels, indicating there is a probable convergent crossover can be seen. And the RSI trading flat. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next week, and probably these levels will hold good for next month also, though we will see every week what could be expected. So before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch with the help of right tools and techniques which we will teach you. After our years of observation, we have created these strategies, and definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Do not miss this opportunity. The next batch starts in first week of January, that is the 18th batch. Be a part of it. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID are mentioned in the channel description. Do channel and video description also, you will find my Telegram and email IDs. Please read the ID and contact IDs in detail, and only approach those IDs, because there are many fraudsters and scamsters available over internet. Please please get the confirmation from my official email ID before any payment. So now let's have a look here. Where to buy? I will only recommend you to buy at 1805 levels. Beyond that, you can stay long for 1812, 1818. Now this 1818 and then 1824 are going to be the target. Now this zone is going to be very, very important for gold. If it breaks past this, you can expect little more bullishness, directly leading to 1836 and then 1850 levels. This is going to be good. Beyond that, 1880, 1900 are the targets. These are going to remain the targets for the month. If till the time, as I said, till the time it trades above 1740, you can stay long. On the downside, where to sell? Now see, as the previous candle was red, and hence it may consolidate or drop a little before it looks over to a direction, and hence you can sell here at 1791. Expect 1784, 1780. Now these are going to be a very, very good support level. 1784-80 zone. Below that, directly it will lead to 1771. See, very, very nearby supports here on the downside, and we have seen this in our daily analysis, that how important these levels are. So below 1760, this is going to be crucial. Below this, you can expect little more drop for 1750 and 1740 levels. This is the maximum support zone. If and only if gold breaks below this zone at 1740, you can expect further drop. And yes, here we missed out one number, that is 1774. You should watch out for this in between 1780 and 71. 1774 levels, you should definitely watch out. Below 1740, sky is the limit. It is going to crash, and hence you should avoid your capital and the long positions below these levels. Below this, certainly we may see a very strong drop there on the downside, and stake your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with the trading stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.